Mr. Melville, our Managing Director, Mr. Sarbanti, our Grand Upline in India, Mr. Push Pradip Sharma, Max Sautki, Mr. Kuntalji, my mentor, Abs, thank you. All the VIPs, Malaysian leaders, okay? Thank you. My name is Wilmar. Okay? I started my mini talk in Dubai. I'm an architect by profession. Okay? I'm not a networker. I'm an architect. Okay? Working in Dubai, you know Burj Khalifa, the world tallest building. I'm the one for the interior. Our company is the interior contracting company. But it's not the reason why I'm here in front of you now. Okay? Last 2009, I invited with a small presentation at the house. You know, in Dubai Apps, we used to present in the flats, okay, in the house. I invited last 2009, October, in a small presentation. You know the strategies of kidnap? I don't know where to go. Yeah, I'm the one, the victim of the kidnapping. Okay? So, guys, what happened? When I go to the presentation, I was thinking that it's a small worship. But when I go there, I saw a whiteboard. Okay? But after the presentation, you know my upline, Mr. Arnel Mariano. Can we give a big hand for Mr. Arnel? Even he is not here. Okay? He's flight now to Dubai. Okay, so I like the presentation first. What I like first, the product. Second, the marketing plan. Okay? So, it happens that I came late. I did not understand the last part, the marketing plan. So the next day, I attended again. Then I signed up. You know, guys, I don't have any experience in network marketing in Dubai. And the rest of my life this is my first time. Maybe some of you here a networker. For me, I'm an architect, not a networker before. But now, I'm proud to myself that I'm the networker. I'm the best networker in the Philippines. I'm proud to see that because it changed my life. But to tell you, when I sign up, okay, this is Reality Apps. When I sign up, when I join October, nobody believes me. You know, it takes me 3 months. I have 2 downlines. You know, who is that 2 downlines? Myself. Because I got 3 hitters. For 3 months, believe me, guys, if you are new, sign up today, yesterday, or 1 month. Okay? Me, I signed up after 3 months, no downlines. If you are in my situation, maybe you will quit. But for me, okay, I continue day by day. What I did, I studied the business, first the products, then the marketing plan. Okay, I start showing presentations, attend the trainings, including corporate events. This event is very important. You learn maybe 100%. You can apply this in your real life and also in our business, especially MVP. Okay? I attend all the corporate events in Dubai, including I attend also in Singapore. Okay? Last year. What happened? 3 months without downline. After 2 years and 4 months today, guess what? From 0 to 3,100. Thank you. 3,100 downlines around the globe. I have big team in Muscat. I have big team in the Philippines. And also Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and the rest of the UAE. So, what is the lesson for that one? even 3 months without downline or business partners, but I didn't quit. My friend, if you are not getting any single sign up today, tomorrow, or the next month, my advice, don't quit. Just continue. Just continue. Study the business. Okay? Show the plan by heart. Okay? Believe me. It happens to me. It will happen to you all. Okay? So, guys, simple. The business, for me, without experience, okay? Now, Evan, I first time, apps, this is my first time to come in front of so many people. But I can say myself that I'm proud to share my experience. Okay? So, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you all, inviting in Malaysia, especially our Master King, Crown Ambassador, Mr. Huntal Duta. Sir, thank you. And I would like to thank our CEO of MBT Spark. I'm proud of being at MBT Spark worldwide. My mentor, Miss Benita Bocaria. Can we give a big round of applause? And also, okay, my idol, the Filipino rock star, Mr. Arnel Mariano. He guided me from the start until now. If Mr. Arnel Mariano did not pull me up, maybe I'm not here in front of you now. And also, if there's a Filipino in the crowd here, can I see a Filipino? Only one Filipino. My first sign up in Malaysia. I have signed up here when I landed in Malaysia. So we have 2 Filipinos now here in Malaysia. Believe me, every now and then I came here because I saw Malaysia, so many Filipinos also. I started in Dubai, Filipinos, and now it's become mixed. Okay, so guys, thank you very much. And also I will invite you in Philippines, launching a corporate event, March 31 Cebu, in my hometown, April 1 in Manila. Guys, I invite you all to come to that event. If you are here in Malaysia, or because we are rocking in Philippines. You know, in Dubai, we are 10,000 Filipinos, a member of MBT. But most 2,000 people, 2,000 okay, MBT members now in Philippines, starting the market Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. So, guys, I hope you see you soon. And then the rest of the event, of the corporate event, I advise you all to attend, even anywhere in the world, because it will become more stronger from yourself and to your business. Okay? So, for now, it's all I can say, just believe in yourself, don't quit in this business. Okay? Thank you very much, and God bless.